Hello, Chef here. So I had a request for chocolate pudding. Here we go. This is chocolate pudding from scratch. The first thing you need is a scale and a mixing bowl, 3-quart mixing bowl. You need 16 ounces of milk by weight, and that milk, of course, is going to get scalded. So we're going to put that milk over the burner and we're going to heat it up. Okay. And then, in the same bowl, we're going to crack 2 eggs. And we're going to add some sugar. I'm using approximately 2 ounces of sugar by weight to the eggs. First a little bit, and then whisk it together. Just like that. Okay, heat it up. This particular recipe, I normally do about 1 ounce of cornstarch, this stuff right here. So it's probably about 2 tablespoons. Yep, right there. All right, and once again, we beat it up. Oh yeah, looking good. Okay, I can get rid of the scale. I'm done with the scale now. I'll be continuing right here. Here we go. A couple of tools I'm going to be using here today. Heart scoop, strawberry core. Okay, you know the milk is scalded when it forms bubbles around the perimeter like this. Okay, so to this mixture I'm adding my scalded milk. Like this, just a little bit at a time. And at this point, I'm going to put this mixture over a double boiler. Okay, I've added 1 ounce of melted butter. I'm going to continue to let this mixture cook until it gets thick. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit of my cocoa to make it chocolate. Chocolate. Yeah, just like this. It's getting thick. A little more of the cocoa. Okay, and I believe that's going to be enough. Gonna taste it. Oh yeah, that's good. Again here, selecting a cutting board. This is edge grain rock maple. And moving right along here, this one here is end grain rock maple. They're both really, really nice. And you can select these based upon size, thickness, dimensions, weight, movability, finger handles. Big heavy block, not going anywhere. So check it out, support your sponsor right there. Have a wonderful day. Okay, and a bit from your sponsor here. This is the cocoa powder that I'm using. It's Felchlin from Switzerland. Really good, really expensive, but hey, you get what you pay for. And if you need good vanilla, well then visit the sponsor for the vanilla. They got the vanilla right there. It's really, really good stuff. And all kinds of stuff. I'm using a shaker here with a little powdered sugar. Just pick up all this stuff, butcher block and all that. So anyway, here's the finished pudding. It's looking really good. We're going to divide it amongst these 4 bowls here. just like this. Okay, and here we go, the finished pudding. I'm just putting a little bit of powdered sugar on for garnish. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe. By the way, this is very wholesome food made from scratch. This is nothing like the garbage you buy in the grocery store. This is real chocolate pudding. Old school. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a beautiful day. Keep cooking.